Welcome to First Quick Tips. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the healing brush in Photoshop. So once you've got your image open in Adobe Photoshop, the first thing that you're going to do is create a blank new layer. And I know this might sound a little bit crazy, but trust me, you're going to thank yourself later. We can call that layer Adjustments, because on this layer we are going to non-destructively edit the photo so that we don't actually change the full real original. So right now we're going to go over here into the healing brush tool family. We're just going to go ahead and grab the spot healing brush tool. While we're on this blank adjustments layer, you have to make sure that all layers is selected instead of current layer for the tool at the top in the options bar. That way it's going to sample all of the layers underneath the adjustment layer that we have now. Now with the spot healing brush tool, it's super convenient because you can just paint over an area and it'll automatically figure out what to heal in that specific spot. You can get away with quite a bit when it comes to really quick, easy edits, and then come up and touch things up later. So I'm just gonna go over some of these messy areas right here with some of the things that are just a quick dot. We just made all those changes very quickly. If I turn off the adjustments layer, they're all back. But if I turn the adjustments layer back on, all of the blemishes and whatnot are gone. If I turn off the layer underneath it, you can see exactly where we painted. And that is how you use the healing brush tools in Adobe Photoshop.